Welcome to Zerobounce, Zoho CRM integration demo. In this video, let's walk you through all the integration steps and features of this extension. First of all, install the extension. Get the API key from your Zerobounce account. Copy the API key. Paste the API key. Make sure there are no leading or trailing spaces. For now, keep the Mass Update View ID blank. Next, go to Settings, Schedules, and switch off the Custom Mass Validation. Let us learn how to validate a single record. Click on any lead record, and then click on Validate Email button. This will read all the email-related insights from Zerobounce and update in record. To make it look nicer, let's create a separate section. Add new section. Move all the related fields to this section. To validate multiple records, select Records from the view and click on Validate Email button. You can also apply filters in a view and validate multiple records at once. And now for the first time, we are introducing new feature, Custom Mass Validation. Create a new view and rename it anything you want. Apply your own logic for records that you want to validate. And save the view. Now, copy the view ID. As available in the URL. and paste it under Mass Update View ID. Next, go to Schedules and switch on the mass validation. Let the magic begin. Now all the records in this view will be validated automatically every 2 hours. If all records are validated, or you want to stop the validation process for this view, just go to Schedules and switch off the mass validation. Clean your email list and reach your customers. Install the extension with 10-day free trial today.